Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and today I'm coming at you with some new TikTok updates in January of 2022. And make sure you hold onto your pants because you might want those when this video blows you away. And have you, my friend, been working out? No? Well, you look great going into the new year nice and strong. Let's get into the video. Now, all of these updates are coming at you from the TikTok creator newsletter. So if you guys want to subscribe to that, I will make sure to leave a link in the description below. Or you can just watch this video all the way through, get all the TikTok tea that you need, and like and subscribe, and we all leave this video happy. Now, the first update is being able to add pronouns onto your profile. Why do I sound like someone on National Geographic?
It makes a desperate break for freedom.
I don't know. You can now add up to 4 different pronouns onto your profile, allowing you to refer to other TikTok users with specificity, ease, and care, which is awesome. To do this, you're gonna hop onto TikTok and go on to your personal profile, and just below your profile picture, you're gonna click on the Edit Profile button, and in between the username and where you can add in a bio, you'll see where it says pronouns, and there again, you can add up to 4 different pronouns for your personal profile. And once you save those, you'll be able to see them displayed directly underneath your name that is at the top of your profile page. The second update is TikTok has got some new editing tools for us. You shouldn't need to be a pro at video editing or an award-winning filmmaker to make easy, eye-catching, and entertaining content. Intuitive tools empower creators like you to express your creativity without limits. We like that. TikTok is excited to offer a wide range of tools for every level of creator, such as updates to the camera and editing tools, introducing new features in green screen, one-tap video enhancements, new sound effects, and a lot more. Green screen is one of the most used effects on TikTok, and TikTok is taking this effect to the next level with the introduction of green screen GIFs. Now I'm entering into the debate is if it's GIF or GIF. I don't know. Let's look it up. Okay. We're gonna call them GIFs. Please don't come at me. I'm nervous. So in partnership with Giphy, users can now select from a library of GIFs. Oh, that just feels so weird. I think I always call them GIFs. GIFs. I'm sorry. I'm unnecessarily hung up on this. Bruh. But you can apply them as a background when you use the green screen creative effect. So whether you're looking for the perfect reaction GIF or showcasing an iconic meme, Giphy in green screen unlocks exciting new opportunities for creativity and storytelling. To access this new tool, you're gonna go on to TikTok, and down on the bottom, you'll see a plus sign, and you'll click on that, and that will open up your TikTok creation screen. And on the left-hand side of your record button, you'll see a place that says effects. And when you click on that, you're now gonna look for the green screen effect. And it's an effect that looks like a picture. Of course, it's got a green background, and there's an arrow pointing down on the effect. So you're gonna click on that, and it's gonna pull up a background image, and you'll see a place where you can choose from your photos to upload on the background of your TikToks. But just before all of your photos, you'll see where it says Giphy, and you can click on that, and that's where you can add in GIFs onto your TikTok. If you want to record those, you're gonna just make sure that your face isn't, in the camera. You can click record and record those GIFs. Like waving a magical wand, the new visual enhancement button will improve exposure, low light, and color correction instantly, which is great for noobs like me. Whether you're uploading from your camera roll or shooting directly on TikTok, this visual enhancement helps save a ton of time fine-tuning edits before publishing. To try this out, go ahead and upload a video from your camera roll or film a video directly within TikTok. And once you're happy with how the video looks, go ahead and click on the pink check mark mark down in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to your TikTok editing screen. And on the right hand side, you'll see a button that says enhance, and you can go ahead, click on that, and that will automatically make some corrections to your videos. Obviously, it's not always going to be the best for your video, but that's up to you to make those edits and tweaks as you go, and it might help save you some time in the future before publishing your videos. Now, this next one is a little funny and a little odd, but I wouldn't expect anything less from TikTok. TikTok is putting, and these are the exact words they use, state-of-the-art music synthesis tools in the hands of creators like you and me. But what does that even mean? With the latest update, people can make any sound or voice in their video sound like an animal or a musical instrument. Let me show you guys what on earth I'm talking about. So to start with this, you're gonna go ahead and make a TikTok, and make sure it's a TikTok where you are at least talking a little bit in the video. And once you're happy with how the video looks, again, go ahead and click on that pink check mark down in the bottom right-hand corner, and that's gonna take you to the TikTok editing screen. And on the right-hand side, you'll see a comment bubble with some lines in it that says voice effects. You're gonna go ahead and click on that, and down in the very bottom, you'll see a bunch of different options for you to change your voice to either an animal sound or a musical instrument. It's something. The last editing tool that TikTok has updated is the high quality video uploading feature. TikTok is rolling out the option to be able to upload your videos in up to 1080p HD. In select countries, people can now choose to upload their videos in 1080p, allowing creators to share high quality content and for audiences to be able to enjoy an optimized video experience. If you have access to this feature, you're first gonna go and upload a video to TikTok or go ahead and create a video within TikTok. Once you're happy with that, you're then gonna move on to your editing screen. Once you've made all of the edits and you're happy with that, you're gonna click on the next button down in the bottom right-hand corner, where you will be taken to the last screen that you'll see before publishing or saving your video as a draft. And once you've done the caption, hashtags, all of that good stuff, down towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see a more options button. You'll click on that, and there you'll see a place where you can change your videos to 1080p or that high definition video. It may take longer to process and may take some more storage on your phone, but there you can create high quality video content with just the click of a button. So those are all pretty fun, but again, another update to be aware of when it comes to TikTok is the appearance of the Creator Next feature. TikTok Creator Next aims to help creators like yourself monetize as you grow and develop your communities on the platform. When you join TikTok Creator Next, which is completely free, you receive access to tools and features that allow you to turn your creativity and passions into something greater, whether it's a side hustle or a business. If you guys want me to do a video on the Creator Next tool and all of the things related to that, then let me know down in the comments. Now, the last thing that was featured in the newsletter was TikTok's music report. Now, honestly, I don't care very much about this, but I thought I would share it briefly for those of you who are interested. Approximately 430 songs surpassed 1 billion video views as TikTok sounds in 2021, a threefold increase over 2020. The most popular of these songs approach and even exceed 20 billion views on videos they soundtrack. According to a recent MRC data study, 75% of TikTok users in the US say that they use TikTok to discover new artists, and 63% say that they hear music that they've never heard before for the first time on the platform. It's really funny reading this because so often when I'm with my husband, he calls me the TikTok jukebox because all I'm doing is quoting sounds or music from TikTok, and he'll play something and I'll be like,
"Oh, I heard that from TikTok."
It's like, no, it's not from TikTok. It's its own song and it happens to be on TikTok. And it's just really funny because it reminds me of that. So there are some facts for you guys from that report that I thought were cool. It's actually a pretty long article, so if you want to go check it out, I will make sure to link it down in the description below. But there you guys go. You're updated. You're in the know when it comes to TikTok as far as right now. It will probably change in a couple days, but you're in the know now. And I got you. If there's any updates in the future, I'll make sure to hop on here and share it with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe because it really does help support my channel so much. If you guys have any questions or comments, again, make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.